This video tutorial I will cover no auto wearing mode. If auto wearing mode is no, then Spring container does not inject the dependency by auto wearing. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties, name and address. Address is the dependent object, and it has two constructors. First constructor accept name, and second constructor accept name and address, and it has display employee details method. For employee, we have mentioned auto as no. So employee has dependent object address, it won't be injected because auto is no. This constructor will be called by Spring container, and only name will be set as Peter. Here I have defined the class address. Here I have defined the class employee. It has dependent object address. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have defined the class app. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object. Name is set as Peter, and address object is not injected because auto wearing mode is no.